Hi everyone, I'm Mary Wall and happy Tapping Tuesday. Here is your Never Too Late exercise for this week. So for this week, we are going to be working with some shuffle ball changes. And Never Too Late is kind of a funny level. When I teach this in studio, we normally do Never Too Late over the course of a couple of sessions, a couple of 7 or 8 week sessions. So you'll get the people who are in what I call Never Too Late level 1, which are they're total beginners. They've never tap danced before, or they've got very, very limited tap dance experience. And then 8 weeks later, they would move into what I refer to as a Never Too Late part 2, where they've got that 7 or 8 weeks worth of experience under their belt, and now they're ready to sort of continue on. So what I introduce week 1 of Never Too Late versus what I would introduce at the end of part 2 Never Too Late are completely different things. So for this exercise, I actually have it broken down into 3 sections. And section 1 is for my total beginners. And so if you've never tap danced before, if you're just starting out, this part is for you. Section 2 is for people that are kind of in the middle of my Never Too Late, and then section 3 is for my more advanced Never Too Late people. Even if you're a total beginner, go ahead and give all 3 sections a try. You don't know, you might surprise yourself. It could be you're a fast learner and that this particular combination is easy for you, so you don't need to, skip it just because, I'm just starting out. So there you go. Try all of it. Do what you can, work your way up to it. If you need to just work on the first part, that's fine. If you're ready for the third part, that's fine too. If it's all really easy, go to my level 1 or even a level 2. Find your level. All right, so shuffle ball change. So your shuffle, you've learned, is a brush, brush. And again, I'm turning sideways. You want to pick the knee up and keep that shuffle to the front of the leg that's supporting you. You do not want to bend that knee like that and bring it back. It should go forward and up. So then when you do your ball change, then you take the leg behind and do the ball change back front. So you're doing brush up, ball change, and not brush, brush, ball change. That is incorrect. That's a bad habit. Don't get into it. So we are going to start with 3 shuffle ball changes. So you're going to go shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Then you're going to do a shuffle step to change your weight and start on the other side. Now we do the same thing on the left foot. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Okay, from here we're going to do the same thing again, but now we're going to use side shuffles, and we're going to cross our ball change a little bit behind the other foot. So you're going to go shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Okay, when you're doing those side shuffles, it means the leg is out to the side. You're not trying to turn it out like it's a ballet thing. You're still keeping it relatively forward back motion, not side to side motion. And you're going to still pick that knee up. You're not going to go like that. You're going to pick the knee up and kind of keep things in front and then do your cross behind. I want to point out one other thing. Ball change means the ball of the foot and then a change of weight. It's kind of a fancy way of saying step, step. And the change can either be on the ball of the foot as well or flat foot. So that would be with the flat foot. So that's a step, stamp, or it could be step, step. Kind of a choreographer's choice. You got to figure out what's going to work best. A lot of times if things are moving really fast, you're going to stay on your toes. You're not going to put your whole foot down. All right, So that's that first section. Let's walk through it from the top before we go on to section 2. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, then shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Okay, now if you are ready to go on to the next one, the next section is for people who've been doing this for a few weeks maybe, and you're ready to try it with those fast shuffles. Instead of the brush, you're basically doing your sort of brush tap, letting that relaxed foot just kind of bounce off the floor. Okay, so that's your fast shuffle. So what we're going to do is we're going to do fast shuffles. We're going to put a pause after the shuffle and before the ball change. So there'll be a little bit of space between it. So you'll go shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle and step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle and step. To the side, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle and step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle and step. Okay, so it's the same pattern as what we did with the slow shuffles and the slow ball changes. The only difference is we're doing fast shuffles, fast ball changes, and we're putting a pause in between. All right, so let's go from the top, first 2 sections. You have 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, to the side, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Now we're going to fast. We go shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle and step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle and step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle and step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle and step. Okay, so part 3 is for my slightly more advanced Never-2-Late people. And for this one, we are taking out the pauses. So we're doing the whole thing fairly fast. And we're going to do it 2 times through. Same pattern. You're still doing 3 shuffle ball changes and a shuffle step. First, right, left to the front, and then we do it again, right and left to the side. All right, so walking through that section, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. We do it again. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, side, 2, 3, and shuffle, step, side, 2, 3, shuffle, step. All right. Let's walk through from the top. Slow, fast with pauses, fast, no pauses. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, and side, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Now we go shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, and step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, and step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, and step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, and step, and shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, to the side, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step. Again, we go shuffle, ball change, 2, 3, and shuffle, step, 1, 2, 3, shuffle, step, side, 2, 3, shuffle, step, side, 2, 3, shuffle, step. Five, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, and shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. Now fast with pauses. We go. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, and step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, and to the side. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, and step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle. Now no pauses. Shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, ball change. To the side, 1, 2, 3. Shuffle, step, 1, 2, 3. We do it again. Shuffle, ball change, 2, 3. Shuffle, step, 1, 2, 3. Shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, shuffle, shuffle, step.